All right, welcome back to LearnWire. Today we are going to be doing an affiliate corner review. Now I've known about this software for seems like about a year or more. There's just some other top affiliates that have done reviews on this and it looked super interesting. I just haven't gotten around to going out and actually getting the software. In order to do a proper review, this is one of those softwares that I have to actually purchase. I don't believe they even give out any kind of free membership, because the membership is the actual data that they're giving you and all the time that they would save you in niche research and affiliate program research. So this is a brilliant tool if you are planning on being an affiliate marketer. If you're a new affiliate, this is especially helpful because you're going to be able to research niches that you can get into, niches that you can create YouTube channels or niche websites in, as well as all of the affiliate programs that would be related to that niche. I believe they have thousands of products already built into the tool. So this is one of those tools that, before I even get into it, that is probably going to be extremely useful for those that are new affiliates that don't know what to promote, don't know what niche to get into. One of the only reasons why I probably didn't get around to actually going and purchasing the product is because I don't feel like I really need a product like this. I'm very much aware of different platforms, and I've made 6 figures for 2 years in a row as an affiliate, so I'm pretty experienced when it comes to this stuff. But you guys asked for it. This was the second most voted video that you guys wanted me to do. So that's what I do on LearnWire. I will go out and purchase the tool just to do the review for you, so you don't have to go out and purchase the software or product until you watch my review. And if it's helpful and everything, then you can click the link below. I do have a link to Affiliate Corner below if you want to go check it out on appsumo while it's available. And I will say this, that also, the reason why I just went ahead and jumped in, no questions asked, didn't even hesitate, is that once I saw them come on the platform, because their normal pricing, we'll go right over to their site and go to pricing. Their normal pricing, and they've been selling this from the start for $149. This is literally the price that they've been selling this at, and they've sold it to, looks like, where was it? 700. They've made 700 sales so far. I think I read over here somewhere where there's 700 people using this software already. We'll come back up here, right here. 700 affiliate marketers have used this, and they just came onto AppSumo. So they have been selling this for $150. So you're getting 54% off of their normal pricing, and this is not like a scarcity tactic or anything like that. You're literally just getting a great deal. They probably wanted a large influx of customers, which is fine. Now, this is a highly sustainable product as well. I can tell you right now that this isn't like an AI tool that could be obsolete tomorrow, an AI content generation tool that could be obsolete tomorrow because of tools like ChatGPT. This is a tool that, is going to be around for a really long time, and their overhead costs are virtually zero because they're basically just doing a ton of research for you and then giving that to you. So this is a brilliant product, creation that they created for you. So we're going to go check that out. So $69, it's just a one price. You get full access, lifetime access to the tool Affiliate Corner. This is basically an affiliate marketing tool. So even if you aren't really, don't think of yourself as an affiliate, but let's say you have a website that does reviews on hosting or something like website hosting, or you have an SEO site or something like that, and you recommend, different hosts. Well, this tool will also have different SEO hosting, website hosting providers in there. And so it can actually prove to be useful to even those of you that don't quite think of yourself as an affiliate marketer. So like I said, you're getting 54% off of what they've been selling it at for the last year. So $69, that was my all in, like, okay, yeah, absolutely. And I'm buying it now. So super cool. One price, boom, right there. And let's see. They have 0 reviews at this point, but I should probably go and leave a review if I like the software. But they do have questions and so forth going on. But let's go jump right into the tool. So this is what the tool looks like right here. So you can search affiliate programs and push enter right here. There's over 3,100 programs in here right now. Just crazy. And there's going to be a ton in here that I have that I don't even know of, which is super cool. And I'm glad that I bought it. So for a full-time affiliate marketer that just purchased this, I'm pretty excited about this. So affiliate programs, we have sorting over here. We can click on this, earning potential, approval time, payout threshold, commission per lead. So you can actually, I mean, they've done all the hard work for you. This is super, super cool. So if we wanted to go and just look at earning potential right here, then you're going to have the highest earning potential programs over here. So you look at this, $1,500, $1,800 right there, $1,300 right there. And I don't know what the green 1,800 means, and then right now there's a commission of 45. I don't really know what that means right there, but we'll go over here and just kind of look at some of these. So a lot of this is financial. You can definitely see the earning potential is going to be financial type stuff right there. But let's see if we can further go in here. There is a reset button to reset that. We can also go over here to categories, and then this iframe pops out, and then you can see like if you're in the CBD niche or golf, nutrition. We'll click on nutrition and click out of that. So now we're looking at the highest paid from top to bottom in the nutrition niche. So Jet Fuel Meals affiliate program. So look, this is they will ship meals, ready meals. That is really popular right now. And so you can get some really good cash right there, 105 per sale right there. Then you have Juiced Up affiliate program right here. And then when you click on one, it's going to open up all this information that is going to be useful. You can actually contact their support right there, ask any questions. It's going to give you a description of what the program is. You're going to get all kinds of stuff, earning potential per sale per month, $49, period of commission lifetime. Type of commission one time, 40% commission on all sales. So it gives you the percentage, and then suitable for nutrition bloggers, nutrition experts, diet bloggers, or health bloggers, nutrition consultants, payout methods, PayPal and bank accounts. So this is super, super cool. I'm wondering if they even have, there's more tabs over here as well. So you can look at the trend. This is a nice, of course, this is going to be a nice solid trend because the trend graph, and that's cool to see they're using Glimpse. I'm aware of what Glimpse is. It's just kind of like a Google. It's a Google Trends add-on, and it just basically gives it steroids, basically. Super cool. So you can see if it's an evergreen niche, which this is, and it's in the nutrition niche. So that's always going to be a evergreen niche to get into. You have the overview right here. This looks like it's probably super hard. Does this look like this is in Ahrefs possibly? So you have the volumes. You're going to already know going into this, like this product and the niche and everything, like, is this, a good niche to get into based on search volume and so forth. Ranking for the word nutrition is going to be super hard. Obviously, you're going to go and find a lot more keywords and then ideas to promote. They're going to give us all the different ways that we can promote this. You can read through here. There is all these different ways that you can promote the product. Don't know how to promote? We have curated some creative promotion ideas for you. So you can see right here, this was curated by ChatGPT or GPT-3, but they did go through it and to make sure that they actually are good ways that you could do this and so forth. All right. And then there's reviews right over here. Okay. Visit the affiliate program. I think that's for Affiliate Corner. So really cool. Let's see how we can, filter this down. So this is all your filters down here. Right down here, guys, look, payout methods. We can go down here and filter by payout methods. I'm only interested in PayPal payout methods, and I'm only interested in deposit. And I'm only interested in bank account and Payoneer. Those are the ones that are the most common for me. I think Stripe would be okay too. And that's it. I don't really like using any of these other stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and just put those as my filter and then exit out. So that means that that's actually the only way that this they pay. That one that we were looking at is super cool because it pays out that way. So come back over here and we'll go back into the filter over here in nutrition. And let's just say we want to look at lawn care and see if there's anything there. Nope. Okay. Let's go ahead and, so it looks like SEO has a lot of stuff. Yep. That one would be one that I would be very interested in. So SEMrush, I'm already an affiliate with them. SimilarWeb, SEO Profiler, the Hoth affiliate program. So now you have all these different programs, and it's going to tell us how many programs we have right here to look at based on our filters. 32 programs that I can come in here and look at that pay out the way that I want them to, that are in the category that I want them to. And there's a lot of these that I'd never heard of before. So it's super, super cool. So they've gone out and done all of the research for us, which is really, really cool. Now we could reset our filter over here and then come back up here to the 3,200 programs and maybe just say YouTube and push enter. So there are 3 programs. There's vidIQ, Nightwatch affiliate program, because I think that this can track your videos, rankings, and this other one right here. So that's really cool. Keyword. Let's see if there's anything. Keyword. Low Fruits affiliate program. Answer the Public affiliate. Twin Word affiliate program. Never heard of that program before, so that's really cool. And then reoccurring. So I like that. So if we exit back out of this, we reset, and then we go into the type of commission. We want only focusing on recurring programs. There's 600 programs in here that are recurring commissions. There's HostGator right there. So you can also come in here and say host. So anything that is host related, there's over 100 hosting programs. You could build a whole website or YouTube channel just around hosting reviews. Super cool stuff. So that is the tool. This is fun. I could play around inside of this tool for the next couple hours because I love this kind of stuff. We can also go and leave a message right down here really easily to them. And then I'm going to go and just finish up by looking at the rest of the menu. So we have a spy affiliates. Not sure what that is. I think that is just the, I don't really know. Adding more websites and niches soon. Oh, so spy affiliates. This is 31 high performing websites. So they have added websites in here, and it looks like they're adding more websites and niches soon. So it's not as exciting, the fact that they only have, so like if I want the max DA to be only 30, let's see if they have any in here, both lower and higher. Okay, so 0 to 30. So we're looking at 12 of these sites are less than 30. So here are some different niches. And then if you wanted to go into categories and so forth, but there's just not enough sites in here. But as they build this tool out, this is going to be huge, kind of like the other niche finder tool that I've introduced you guys to that has thousands of these vetted in here. And basically what you can do is come in here and see what's working for other people, and you could build sites similar to them. Super cool. You could reverse engineer their sites and so forth. So this is a super helpful tool. But they only have 30 sites in there, so they really need to get on the, they really need to jump on this and get not hundreds, but even 3,000 plus sites. They really need to add that in there, and this would be a valuable tool. Niche finder over here. So this is going to be a niche research tool as well. So they have all of these different niches in here. Let's go and look at, what was that one that was party something? I'm just going to type in party. Enter, and yeah, party games, party clean, yep. So party games, 49 right there, 49,500, and the trend, it's going to tell you what the trend is. So like third party delivery services right here, the trend is up right there. So different ways to look at this. You got to push the reset button. Let's see right over here. I'm just going to go back to home. So there's 10,000 niches in here. Doesn't look like you can click on this and actually sort by the ones that are in positive trends right now, but I don't know what this citizen supplements are, but they've already done a ton of research in here that you could build websites off of, YouTube channels, find different products on. So that's really cool. We can go into categories, click on categories, and let's see right over here. They have woodworking, personal development, lawn care, programming languages, technology, coffee, supplements. So we'll just click on the supplements button here and exit off. So then now you're looking at 233 different supplements that you could go and research as well. It's going to give you the search volume and the cost per click and so forth. All right. So that's cool. You can filter it by search volume right here. Okay, here's where you can go in and say the trending. So if you want to go to trending, and you want this to be from 0 to, 100, and we want it to be just positive. So now we're looking at only positive supplements that are on the rise as far as trending. You're looking at 112 right there. So these are the ones that you would want to go and get started with. Super cool stuff right here. The ideas are generating in my mind right now what we could do with this information right here. So it is well worth the money to pick this up. They've already done all the research for you. Super cool. What is exclusive deals? Link Whisper, you're going to get $15 off. So they're kind of playing affiliate with you right here, but you are going to get some deals if you go and look at some of this stuff right here. Super cool. I mean, if you want to get $15 off Link Whisper, I'd go with that. Recommended tools. So here are some of the, affiliate tools and so forth that they recommend. They have a video course that comes with this software. They've got a video course right here with a bunch of different, basically how to do niche research, how to become an affiliate and so forth. So that is a huge bonus for the two guys that made the software. One of them is a full-time affiliate marketer for the last 3 years. So they have knowledge, how to use. They also have video tutorials on how to use this software, resources and updates right here. So this is a real program. I really, really like it. I am excited to use this and see what other affiliate programs and great products that I can find that could even help me bring some software to you guys, as well as a lot of my other channels. So this was my review on Affiliate Corner. It just kind of came out a few days ago on AppSumo. I've known about it already, and this is I'm glad that I purchased it. I think it's money well spent. $69. That's over half off of what they've been selling this at. So I highly, highly recommend this product for if you are interested in being an affiliate, or you are a new affiliate marketer, or you are a YouTuber or a niche website builder. This is the tool for you. All right. So if you want to go pick this up, if this video brought you value, then you can click the first link in the description and go pick up Affiliate Corner. I'll see you in the next video.